remember to stay hydrated, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a brand new knife from DFCO. This is an ultra minimalistic knife that has a few different features that I've never seen in any other knife. We'll cover all of that in this video, but for now, sit back, relax, and let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and in front of me today, I've got the brand new DFCO McQueen. I'll try to keep this video as short and simple as possible, just kind of showcasing the knife. And if you're interested in picking up the McQueen after this video, go ahead, check the link in the description below, and if you use code EDM, that will get you 10% off your order at DFCO. Let's not waste too much of your time and get right into it. And again, this is the McQueen from DFCO. It's made out of stainless steel in terms of the handles and pocket clip, along with the hardware. And in order to open it up, all you gotta do is flick it out and you're greeted with this CPM 4V blade. It has a really nice cut through fuller along with drop point blade style. And in terms of the locking mechanism, we're looking at the crossbar or axis lock locking mechanism. Let's flip it back over on the show side and admire this ultra minimalistic design. And what that means is it basically doesn't have a pivot screw or a body screw on the show side. Now, when I flip it back over to the lock side, there is a pocket clip along with a body screw here and a pivot screw here. I'll overlay some B-roll of the internals of this knife, and what makes this thing super special is it's operating off of one single coil spring for the axis lock locking mechanism. Now that's super unique, and I've only seen it done in one other knife, which would be the Benchmade Anthem. Most crossbar locking mechanisms operate off of two omega springs, and a lot of times they will snap. I've never had that happen to me, but with the McQueen, having that single coil spring just means that there's less mechanical parts and less failures. In theory, this locking mechanism should be a lot more reliable than your standard axis lock or crossbar locking system. Another really cool thing about this knife is it does have an ambidextrous pocket clip, so you can literally just pop it out and then flip it over and make it super lefty friendly. If you're someone that doesn't enjoy pocket clips, you can literally take out the pocket clip and insert your own paracord. Again, I'll just overlay some B-roll so you guys can check that out. And the last thing I wanted to talk about is the pivot. So this thing is operating off of phosphor bronze washers. It is extremely drop shutty just straight out of the box. But what makes it super unique is the pivot is actually milled into the handle scale itself, which means that there's even less moving parts and it makes it even more reliable. The drawback to that is you only have one screw to tune in the knife itself, but so far the action has been able to hold up like a dream. This knife is pretty badass and it's relatively small, so you can fit it into pretty much any pocket. Huge shout outs to DFCO for sending the McQueen over and letting me check it out. I plan to give the McQueen a lot of pocket time and add it to my EDC rotation. If you guys have any questions about this knife, let me know in the comment section below. But aside from that, thank you guys so much for dropping by, and we'll have to catch you on the next one. Peace out.